In this video, we'll be showing you what is the best way to learn P&ID. If you are a fresher and you have just joined an organization and you find it very difficult how to read the P&ID, so this is the best way but hardest way to learn the P&ID. But once you follow this process for some time, you will be a master on P&ID. So what you need to do? First, you need to find a particular unit, particular area, and grab the P&ID of them, right? Then you go to the site and visit the actual process or actual set of equipments, right? So it is better if you take a small package P&ID because there all the instruments and the equipments are grouped together very closely. If you take a big process P&ID, then you have to like run through maybe kilometers and you have to go up and down and all these things. So this is a example I have shown you to make you understand what you need to do. So here you can see that this is a package, this is a small package, and in this package there are many instruments, equipments, they are there, right? And I have marked them with a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. So you can number them in your mind, or you can just use any tagging principle or any marker you can use and mark them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then what you need to do, you need to have your P&ID of the system in your hand, right? And try to correlate the one in the field with the one in the P&ID, right? So for example, the first one, like this is a pressure transmitter. If you first see, okay, this is what I have marked one in the field. Okay, now let's see in the P&ID. Okay, P&ID, this is PT001. Okay, that point is clear. Okay, next what is there? There is a PSV. There is a pressure safety valve. Okay, I see in the field, I see in the P&ID, I see them both in the same line. Okay, then it is clear. Then you see after PSB, the line gets divided into two parts. You see the same in the P&ID, you see the same in the field, right? And then you see there are two lines in one line, and both of the line there is a on-off valve denoted by 3 and 7. These are the manual valves. Then there are two on-off valves, or rather ball valves are there, and they are automated valves. After that, there are another two valves which are manual valve denoted by 5 and 9, and then there are two pressure transmitter 6 and 10, and then there are another two set of manual on-off valve, right? So this is just an example I have given you. In the field, you will be finding more complicated P&ID and more diversion of the line into different streams. And go to the field with the P&ID in your hand and try to stress the lines. As you do it for some time, maybe a month or so, you will become conversant not only with the P&ID symbols and how to read the P&ID, but you will be slowly understanding the process also. So this is the best way to learn the P&ID